4747 49th Avenue Northeast. Sitting at a turn with a break in it, about 60 feet out. Unable to get past this turn. I've been trying for a couple minutes now. Something about this crack won't allow me to get past it. As I'm pulling back, you can see it on the left-hand side of your screen, that void. And then there's another crack that's going down the middle of the backside of the turn, and I think that's where my lens is getting stuck up on. Alright, I'm going to zero out my footage from here so we can get a proper count of material needed to line all the way up to the cast. So we're going to keep pulling back here. There's that hole I was telling you about on the side, and then a crack on the back side of the bell, or the back side of the turn there. That's what's holding my camera up. As we come back, we'll come back to 4-inch diameter concrete pipe. You can see the erosion line going down the middle there, where it's about halfway up the pipe. In 6-inch pipe, it's only about an inch up. And then somewhere through here we have a downspout tie-in. And then here's the other turn. And there's another hole on the back side of that turn there. Keep coming back.
Recommend for like the water that's just sitting there?
Well,
the inspector called that out. Not as a big deal, but just
that. All right, still coming back here. Pretty soon we're going to be popping into a corrugated pipe. Yes, I said corrugated pipe. There's a PVC, landscaping PVC, and then it pops right into corrugated. Alright, so that landscaping PVC comes into this corrugated pipe right here. That little bump might curse us on this. You may have to dig this up as well. But then we pull back through a turn here. Somebody put corrugated in to make that turn, then back into PVC, or landscaping PVC. And a couple more feet. And then there's a crack on the bottom of the pipe here, coming up at the cast iron transition. Right here, there's a little hairline fracture going down the middle of it, right on the bottom of the pipe. So that's the only downside, that it's at the bottom. Well, and it's a crack, you never really want one. But to get into the PVC from there, or the cast iron from there, we're looking at 48 feet of 4-inch liner material needed. Then we're pulling back through cast iron inside the house here, then ABS pipe, the tie-ins coming into it, and then popping up and out. I'm going to go ahead and end the recording there.